Hello guys, welcome back. This will be the third unboxing. There was another one, but it was a repeat. You could say it's like a 3-part slash 4. It's another unboxing. The last of the, you could say, is the monster giveaway promo deal they had. So this will be a quick video. Again, I have my partner right here. And the same thing. Let me read this off. Alright. Okay, so it's a letter from Monster saying, hello customers, or consumers, I'm sorry. If you have received your order incomplete, we apologize for the inconvenience. The remaining of your order will be shipped out on a later date. You will receive another tracking confirmation via email. Just as thank you. And yeah, which they were, I guess, behind on things. So I'm gonna have my partner right here hand out this last of the Monster promo. Oops. And there we go. Alright, let's see what you got. Let you pick whatever you want first.
Alright, I got a big one.
Alright. Backpack. I love their backpacks. Monster Energy promo, the whole backpack. Check it out. Very nice. Good nylon. Excuse me. Embroidery done right. It's really nice. Quality.
Has a lot of pockets.
Yeah, it definitely has a lot of pockets. More than what I expected. Grip handle right there. Oops. Promo sticker. Strap hooks. I'm sure you could pick up a trend with different lighting. I don't like it. Laptop sleeve or pocket, whatever you should call it. That's the only pocket that's in there. And another one, a 3-pocket, or I should say 4 if you say this. And a small pocket. It's a long pocket right here. Whoa. It looks small, yeah. This whole.
I thought it was just this.
Yeah. It's the whole.
It has a lot of pockets. It even has the sides.
Compared to the hat, it's a good size. A side pocket, what is this? Mesh pocket for your water bottle, and
maybe to fit more monster stuff.
Yeah, put a bunch of monster stuff in there. What do you think of it?
I think it would fit all the episodes.
Alright.
We got 2 monster shirts.
2 medium shirts. So I'm getting these for the boys. From a couple boys I got. They're medium sized shirts. We'll unbox one or open one up. There's no quick opening on them. You just rip it open. It's a good size shirt. What's this open right here? Oh, it's a good size shirt.
That's nice.
Nice little medium-sized shirt. Good quality. Anything on the back? Yes. Monster Energy. Right there. Ooh. Good material.
Nice.
Right there. Good size. Sure, good quality. Soft. So we'll put this aside. Put this over here. What else you got?
Got this weird box.
Alright. Oh yeah. Nothing that names the bottle, box, whatever it is. It's a tumbler. Coffee tumbler. Nice protected. The Java coffee mug.
I thought there was an actual monster in there.
Would have been nice, huh? They should throw one in there. Little, not the best quality you'll get in the cheese. It's okay, I guess. Little simple. The care instructions from a third-party company that made it. Gordon Sinclair. Yeah, here you go. That's the brand. I don't think it's a double wall insulated cup. It's just a. Actually, it might be because it has the what do you call it, the paper of this Java in between the plastic. So you could say it's a wall insulated, double insulated. Oh, and it's just a press, not twist. It's just press on.
I don't think that's really safe.
Yeah, not really. You drop the sucker. I'm pretty sure when it's nice and boiling hot, it'll pop off or something.
It's not good for traveling.
No, not good for traveling. Yeah, what do you think?
It's okay.
Alright. What else you got, bud?
That's it.
That's it? Wow. Well.
They only gave us.
Well, that was the last of the order. Very simple boxing. Got that. The cup. The shirt.
Which the cup came in a very plain box.
Very plain box. Can't complain though.
Yeah.
Not bad for this stuff. Yeah, that's what you'll get. Well, that's what I got in the last of my order.
I think the first episode, there was a lot of stuff.
Was a lot of stuff. The main order, I'm pretty sure that's what they try to get. But that was the last of the Monster promo stuff, which I had gotten another one between all this order. Excuse me. But that was a repeat of like shirts and towels, the same thing, like I said in another video. But alright, glad you guys liked or hopefully you guys liked the video. Yeah. And we'll be bringing you some more random videos. Hopefully you guys like guns. Not sure about YouTube, the whole thing. We've been trying to do guns and ammo and accessories and how somebody could get started with that hobby. But stay tuned and hope you enjoyed. Yes. And Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Like and subscribe. That's for sure. And hope to see you guys soon here. Thank you.